everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. We're making chicken pockets today, and you're gonna come along. The official name of these is Savory Crescent Chicken Squares, but my wife's family always called them chicken pockets, and we're gonna make those for you guys tonight. So let's go through the ingredients. We need to get some milk. We need some cream cheese. We need some minced onions. We rehydrated these. We need 2 cups of chicken, which ends up being about 2 chicken breasts, shredded or cubed. We need 1 8-ounce can of crescent rolls. We need salt and pepper. So it's a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. We just kind of eyeballed that. We're going to need 1 tablespoon of butter melted and 1 tablespoon of butter softened. So 2 tablespoons, but don't melt them both. We need 3/4 cup of seasoned croutons, and you want to take your aggressions out on these. Smash them up a little bit. All right, let's get to assembly. So we've got the oven heated to 350 degrees right now. We're going to take our bowl. We're going to beat the cream cheese, the butter, and we're going to beat them until they're smooth. Tablespoon of butter. This is 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Now that that's beaten smooth, we're going to add everything else. Salt, pepper. We're going to add a tablespoon of minced onion with a little splash. Sorry, we're in Wisconsin. A little extra dairy never hurt nobody.
Oh boy.
The chicken's got to go in, and then we mix that. Do we use the beaters? Can I use the beaters again?
That's what I do.
Oh, look at this. Look at that. Now, I'm going to set that off to the side. We're going to get a pan out and grab our crescent rolls. Look at that. There's 8 crescent rolls. We got 4 quarters here. This is going to make 4 chicken pockets.
Yes.
Right. So I do remember. Yeah, so we do that. Now you want to pinch this together, right, where the perforation is to make sure it's all nice and sealed. And now it says take a 1/4 cup, or a 1/2 cup, so a 1/4 of this, and put it in each of this. We're just going to separate it. Okay, so like this here.
Yeah.
And then like that there. And we got to get these things to close up, huh?
Yep, you got to squish the sides.
So you want to tuck it and roll.
Yep.
Bam! 1 tablespoon of melted butter. You take your handy dandy little basting brush. You're just going to get butter on top of all of that. Oh yeah, I missed a spot right there. Okay. Mm-hmm. Now you take your breadcrumbs and you're going to take these things, you're going to press them into the top.
Come on. See, and we didn't even make 3/4 cup, and we have a bunch left over.
Yeah.
Yeah. They just go a long way.
Yeah. There we go. Now that you got your breadcrumbs or your croutons put on top of your chicken pockets, we're going to throw them in the oven, 350 for about 20-25 minutes until they turn golden brown on top. 25 minutes in the oven at 350. And look at these things here. Oh my goodness.
So pretty.
Thank you. I've been working on that. Right. Oh, these things. Yeah, no, these totally the chicken pockets are really good. Yeah. We're gonna... Oh. Butter and the chicken and everything just smells. Man, these things are delicious. These are really good. We definitely need to have them more than once a year. Well, here you go, guys. Thanks for cooking chicken pockets with us here today at Coop to Grill. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. And if you want to see more of this stuff with us in it, check them out. They're over here. We're going to go have some dinner. Look at those.